When I was free, I liked to find some stuff that I didn't know in Nuke. Checking Nuke's API was one of my interests in the past. And sometimes when I found something interesting, I forgot the command again after a few months. And also most of the time when I use directory or help command in script editor, I have difficulties to clearly read the result. That motivated myself to create this tool for Check Python in clear interface. First of all, when you have the first line of the module in the command line. Here I start with Nuke. Then click Get Subfield. The field 1 will be created and give you all the subfields available under Nuke. Select one of those. Here I want to see what subfields are available under Nuke node. Now I choose Maximum Inputs and check out the document of this Nuke node Maximum Inputs command. Here is the Start This button to save your selection. You can check all starred commands under Starred Manager. Let me try another command. I chose Format this time. Start This. Then you can see this command added to Starred Manager. If you want to go back to the previous field, you can hit Back field. So next time when you go back to this subfield, the Starred command will be placed in the top order. Under Starred Manager, you can use the Remove button to remove the one you starred. So when I got this subfield again, the Starred Format command was gone. Let me start another command, Nuke Layer. So Nuke Layer placed in top order now. You can also use a keyword filter to get specific subfield commands. Let me get all the subfields including knob. Keyword filter is non-case sensitive. So here I have got all subfields with knob this word inside. If you want to specify knobs command, you can put underscore at the beginning. So subfields will return all knobs commands available under the Nuke module. You can import and check other modules in Pyclopedia. Let me import the random module here. Command line starts with random. Here is all the subfields under random. I am going to check the random integer document and start it. So you can see the module stored under the key column, and the command line starred under the value column. Let me also start random seed also. So next time when you generate these subfields, these starred items will be placed on the top order. Let me use another import module format this time. I typed pyside2.qt widgets as qt widget here. And the command line starts with qt widget. Let me start qt widget q checkbox action here. So the same thing, this start command placed at the top. And let me start two more commands. The start function in Pyclopedia is saved under user profile. So when I deleted and recreated a new one, my start command will be restored. If you go to the .nuke folder, you will find a folder called Pyclopedia and a favorite file inside. This is how this start function works. Pyclopedia also interact with nudgraph. Let me pull out Python Geo. In the command line, I typed nuke.toNode Python Geo1 Geo select knob. Then I can get the API available for the node. Get geometry is an exclusive command of Python Geo, so I am using this as an example here. So this is all I want to show you how Pyclopedia works in Nuke. If you have any comments or suggestions of the tool, drop your comments below. Like it if you like it, hit the bell button and please subscribe. You can also like my Facebook page for some developments or message me directly there. Enjoy!